Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, what we will learn? June 2025 examination paper class 10th maths subject MCQs. Okay, so the question is the distance of point -3 and -4 from an origin is what? Okay, so -3 and -4, these are the given points, that is our x1 and y1. We assume this as a x1 and y1. Okay, and the origin points, we know the origin point is 0 0 0 comma 0. So we assume this 0 0, we denote this 2 0 0 as a x2 y2. And the question we have, the distance between the this -3 -4 from an origin. So we have to find the distance between the points -3 -4 and 0 0. So now the formula of the distance between the 2 points is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so now we are putting the value of x1, x2, y1 and y2. So here x1 is -3 and x2 is 0. Okay, so we are putting x1 is -3 and x2 is 0. The minus sign itself is given in the formula, remain as it is, and the entire bracket has a whole square. Okay, so when we have a minus in between, we will make sure that the other number we are putting in the small bracket. So we can evaluate first this and then we consider the whole square. Now if we are putting the value of y1 and y2, y1 is -4, y2 is 0. So y1 is -4 and y2 is 0, and then entire whole square. Okay, so if we are resolving this, -3 -0, that is remain -3. -3, if we are subtracting something from the -3 but it is 0, that means we are not subtracting anything, so the number itself remain -3. And from the -4 we are subtracting 0, that is we are not subtracting anything, that 0 is nothing. So -4 -0 is remain -4. So here we can see that -3 remain as it is whole square plus -4 whole square. We know that 3 square is 9, minus sign square is minus, always the square of the negative number become a positive. So here 4 square is 16, minus 1 square is 1 itself. So 1 into 16 is 16. That means if you consider any number with the negative number, if we are taking the square, then we have to square of that number and the minus sign will go away. Why? Because we are squaring that minus sign. Minus is -1, so we are squaring, so -1 into -1 is 1. That's why it remains as a positive sign. So 9 plus 16 is 25, and we are now finally taking the square root of this number, that is 25 square root, that equal to 5. So hence in the answer we can write the distance of point -3 -4 from an origin is 5. This is our final answer. Okay, hope this is clear. If you like this explanation, make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video, and you can see this multiple times, so your concept, your funda is very clear on this particular exam. And it was asked in the June 2025, so might be not exactly this question will be asked, but for sure the similar question can be asked, and you can easily refer this as your alternative reference and solution. Okay, thank you.